How to remove WhatsApp number on Facebook page. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now, once inside the Facebook, all you have to do is navigate to your profile. Go to your profile page, and now there you can see my WhatsApp is available. All you have to do is tap on the edit public details option available there. Scroll down a little bit and you will get to see that option available on the screen, and simply tap on it. Now, once you tap on it, scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see links option available, where you will get to see your WhatsApp. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, all you have to do is tap on the public option available and make it to only me. And now, once you are back to your profile, your WhatsApp is gone from your Facebook page. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.